Today's top news, 19th February. Today, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti 2021 marks the birth anniversary of Maratha King Shivaji and is celebrated on the same date every year. The day began to be celebrated as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti or Shiv Jayanti in 1870 by Mahatma Jyotirao Phule in Pune. Delhi poultry markets to open after samples test negative for bird flu. In view of the rising COVID cases in Maharashtra, the district administration on Thursday announced a weekend lockdown in Amravati. However, the essential services will remain unaffected. Bollywood actor Sonu Sood, who has been a pillar of support and strength to migrant workers amid the pandemic, has reached out to the people of Varanasi and assured help. Bringing a ray of hope to the families affected by the pandemic in Varanasi, the actor has decided to help 350 boatmen in the city by supplying them with essentials and fulfilling their monetary needs. Bharatiya Kisan Union leader Rakesh Tikait on Thursday reiterated that farmers protesting against the centre's farm laws will not return home until their demands are met. Delhi Transport Department has started the trial of contactless ticketing system in all the DTC buses through the Charter app. The bypoll for Karnataka Legislative Council seat, which fell vacant after untimely death of the council deputy speaker S.L. Dharmegowda, will take place on March 15. The Election Commission result will be on 18th March. The exam dates of Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE Class 12th Board Exam 2021 and Joint Entrance Exam JEE Main are clashing with each other as both are scheduled to be held in May. To ensure right and equal opportunity to all the aspirants, the National Testing Agency NTA will arrange alternative for all the aspirants who will be writing their CBSE board examinations on the day of JEE Main are being held. These students will be given dates according to their preference. Pariksha Pe Charcha to be held online, the Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank said that the annual interaction of Prime Minister Narendra Modi with the students called the Pariksha Pe Charcha will be held online. The registration for the program will start from February 18, 2021 and it will be concluded on March 14, 2021. An encounter broke out late on Thursday night between security forces and terrorists in Badigam village of Sofian district in Jammu and Kashmir. India and Russia have agreed to work closely on key issues at Union Security Council in keeping with the special privileged strategic partnership between the two countries. India hosted the virtual health secretary level meeting with the member countries of the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. The virtual meeting was held on February 18, 2021. During the meeting, the members discussed the ongoing COVID-19 crisis. The Union Cabinet, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has approved the signing of a comprehensive economic cooperation and partnership agreement between India and Mauritius. Thank you. That's all for today.